What's going on, guys? This is Alex with Shaves Barbershop, and today I'm going to show you how to do a young boy's haircut. I'm going to start this haircut off by wetting the top so we can cut it down to the desired length, which is going to make blending the sides in later a lot easier. Once we got the haircut sectioned off, I'm going to use some of the Con Man from Gibbs as a cutting aid to kind of hold the hair in place and keep it from drying out as I'm cutting. When I'm cutting at top, I like to start with the front and work from front to back using that last piece that I cut as my guide. Just working from front to back, then side to side, making sure I can see my guide every time I cut. Now that the top's done, I'm going to switch to my clippers, starting with the number 3 guard to create my first guideline. With this amount of bulk on top, I like to take my comb and hold the hair down as the clipper is feeding through the hair. It just helps the clipper grab the hair a lot easier and helps blend the hair a lot easier later. Now that we got our first guideline started, I'm going to use clipper over comb to remove the bulk to help blend the sides into the top better. Now that we got most of the bulk out of the way, I'm going to switch to my number 4 guard and finish blending in the sides. Blend the sides in even more, and to prevent his cowlick from sticking up, I'm going to switch to my thinning shears to help remove some of this bulk without taking any more length off. Because this client has such thick hair, I wanted to go back over the sides to make sure that there's no missed hairs after the haircut's done. Now that the haircut's done, I'm going to use my trimmers to outline the edges of his hairline. Now it's time to shampoo and rinse out the client's hair. I'm going to be using the Gibbs 3-in-1 Man Wash and the Biofuel Conditioner to help clean the client's scalp. To style this client's hair, I'm going to be using the Con Man Hair and Beard Pudding by Gibbs. This is similar to a leave-in conditioner, so it's great for kids because it doesn't flake up if they accidentally touch their hair and doesn't dry crunchy. Here's a final look at the haircut. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, consider subscribing. My name is Alex from Shaves Barbershop, and I'll see you in the next one.